Yo, YouTube, what's poppin'? IG, what's good? Retro family, retro gang. Man, this your boy, Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks coming back at you. Look, we ain't in the shoebox. We mobile today. We out here doing pickups. Did you cop? Leave a comment. Can you get them at your local stores? Are they still sitting? Leave a comment. Did you hit off the sneaker app? Leave a comment. Either way, leave a comment. Don't forget, as well, smash that like button while y'all in here. Let's hop right into it. We got the Jordan 3 SE, the Japan colorway, the box. So you got the Jordan on the box here. Got that. This is supposed to represent the denim in the shoe. Show y'all the box real quick. Hop into it. 10.5. Retail for $200 plus tax in your neck of the woods. You know what your boy say. Let's hop right into it. The box right here. The paper. Still representing that denim. That denim look. Let's go. Right now the leather looking real buttery. Looking real nice. Let's hop right into this review. Now right off the top. Hope y'all seeing this. Some pairs do, varies. This pair do got some nice leather coming around the toe box. You got the denim coming around, white sole. Well, my apologies, white midsole. The black coming around the denim. Coming around the ankle support, you got that like that gem red, that Chicago red. So everybody's going crazy after. I guess you got the Nike. It's kind of, make sure we focus on that. It's kind of see-through. You got the Nike with the Jordan Jumpman logo as well, Air. Check out the other shoe. Make sure no accessories, no cards, no accessories. Other shoe. Inside. Coming on the tongue, you got that classic Jumpman logo, of course. You got the denim coming right there too as well, where the laces go in at. Then they hit you with the red. It's nice leather on this particular shoe. Once again, you got that Nike on the back, that see-through Nike, that translucent. Now you can see that Jumpman logo. That Jumpman logo do stick out. It's not in there like the Nike Air is. It actually sticks out. It's up. So keep that in mind. The bottom. Nike on the bottom. Want to bring y'all that quick review for people that wanted to go for it. Some spots they are still sitting at. Y'all check your Foot Lockers. Well, Foot Lockers and Champs and everything as far as the Flex app, they're going to release them probably Saturday if they got any leftovers. Y'all make sure y'all link in. But check a lot of y'all City Gears and Hibbett Sports. There's some pairs still sitting around. Go for what you know, especially if you want to get it for retail. You know what I say, I apply that pressure. Y'all leave a comment, man. Y'all tell me, man. For the toe, for the dough, a must go. On the road, man. Sheesh. Let's go. Y'all enjoy y'all day.